Magandang balita nga para kay Maggie Wilson. Yan nga agad-agad ang ibinungad ng actress, model na si Maggie at doon ay sinabi niyang, "I'm starting 2025 with some good news. I recently received a decision from the court that denied a petition for a temporary and a permanent protection order under the Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act VAWC of 2004, which was filed by my son's father, Victor Consunji, with Jose Marie O. Magsalin as his counsel, against me to stop me from being able to communicate or see my son on the basis that I am a threat to my son's mental and physical well-being. On behalf of all mothers going through something similar, I'd like to thank the presiding judge and the family court for seeing through what is right and just. I'd like to apologize for the behavior of my ex-husband for yet again wasting the court's valuable time. Despite several testimonies, including the likes of Mark Nelson, who testified on his knowledge on behalf of the petitioner, Victor Consunji, of how my son suffered emotional stress, anxiety, and annoyance due to me, were all denied by the family court of the Republic of the Philippines. Unfortunately, this exercise also subjected my son to being put on the stand at just 12 years old. An excerpt from the court states, "The social media posting merely expressed the love and longings of a mother to her son who was separated from her. The respondent really missed her son, nothing or nothing more and nothing less. There was no credible evidence to support a finding that respondent, me, committed psychological violence against her son. Therefore, there is no reason to prohibit the respondent from communicating with her son. As a mother, the respondent has the right and duty to communicate with her son." Marami namang mga netizen ang naghayag ng disappointment kay Mark Nelson matapos ng ihayag ni Maggie na ito ay isa sa nag-testify. Sinila imagine testifying in order for a mother and son to not be able to communicate with one another. There are some things in life that you do not mess with, and this is one of them. Perhaps if you were a parent yourself, you would have understood better. With you, do not cross certain boundaries. What a man, say naman ni Tim Cornor. What? I think you are not 5'11". I saw you personally lot of times and I thought you were about at least 6 feet. Maybe with a couple more inches, you would have gained some values and morals. Iba ka din pala to testify against a mother to prohibit her from seeing her own child. You are one of a kind. Grabe lang yung looking up to someone who happens to be an accessory to a mother's pain. The most supportive friend ever must be your proudest moment. Testifying so a minor child cannot communicate with his mother. Grabe ang ginawa mo kay Maggie. Sobrang marami mga netizen ang talaga namang inis at galit kay Mark Nelson dahil sa di umano ay pagkatig o pagkampi nito sa may pera. Anila, kala ko pa naman matinong kaibigan ito, tagal din nilang nagkatrabaho ni Maggie. Ahas pala. What was his testimony? Bakit siya against kay Maggie? Sino naman ang isa? Kadilitong si Mark Nelson. Nakaka-disappoint tong si Mark Nelson. Was it really worth risking his reputation over Victor? He chose to side with the one with money. Sa pa ng ilang mga netizen, I honestly thought all this time he will be the bridge and advise the two to be civil to one another for the sake of the child kasi he seemed to be a nice guy. Yun pala, he's helping Victor burn the bridge of Maggie to his son. Ew, Mark Nelson. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.